Hey, hi friends, good evening. This is Sandy from Sunday Page. Hope you guys doing good. So we talk about what happened in the budget day today. So the budget was very positive, even though the market was completely positive and almost like what a level are given. The Nifty, Bank Nifty, all the things were given a huge profits. Nifty is close to 4.5%. Bank Nifty given a lot of very positive percentage, and that's miracle. That's, I would say, this is one of the best miracles, I would say. Yeah. Okay, see these four my calls. So what happened based on budget? The budget was very positive. That was I said earlier. I thought budget will go in the first half would be like a downside, second half would be upside. But this time it was one sided market. So last year the budget was last year the trend was like one sided market in downside. But this year the budget is even more positive, but the market went in one side market is upside. So these four calls are given to my the paid person team, paid budget team, because I was conducting a live session. So a couple of guys are joined for this, and more than 3 to 4 guys were joined for this. And so this is the call I given. So the overall investment Nifty edging concept, Nifty 12,700 put entry, 14,400 call entry, Bank Nifty 32,500 call entry, and 20,800 put entry. So these four entries are given around like 9:30 to 10 o'clock in the morning. So what happens is the overall investment is like this overall investment for both the all the four calls. It was like $7,500 as an investment. That's what I said. Come with 10k to 12k investment and earn almost like 4 times or 5 times return. That's what I said yesterday, 2 days back. Also I said, but nobody was shown interested. But couple of guys are shown interested, and that's what this happens. See, 7,500 rupees as an investment, and what see you can see the returns. See, the edging is like I took this as 0 rupees. I took this as a 0 rupees, as well as the this one also is a kind of 0 rupees. So by thing is like I taken the completely loss. This is what I taken. See, minus I was taken completely loss, like 2,500 rupees I minus did, my subtracted, and even this call. See, this Bank Nifty call has given 1,000 points. I given 100 rupees as entry point. This is entry point. I given 100 rupees as entry point at 10.5. The market got it, and I went almost like 1,000 rupees. That's miracle, right? It almost went 1,071, almost like 971 rupees. The market has given. So what happened in the past? Like 3 hours back, I posted the video about Nifty analysis. What is up based on extension, given the targets for buy side, because I said the market is going to buy side both based on Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. See, as per the extension, what happened? See, I was given the call around like 12:45. I was posting this video, and the market was inching here. It's broken here. From here almost like 13,000. Okay, let's keep it as 13,860. So almost given almost like 14,000, exactly 3.6 level. This is what extension, power of technical analysis. Let's see the Bank Nifty what happened. Even though I booked almost like 34% profit returns. See, Bank Nifty swing low to swing high, again a retracement, again see what happened, again given a breakout, exactly almost like crossing almost like 3.6, more than 3.6 level. So the key levels would be like 61.8, 1.6, and 1 is the key levels for the Fibonacci extension. But definitely the profits got it, and the targets got it, and given a more so I would say it's a double the profits. See, 7,500 investment, and into 4 times almost like 20,000, into 4x I got. So this is what once you know the understanding the concepts very well, you can rock it anywhere else, even the upside or downside market, anywhere else you can rock it. And even I booked the profits, Motherson Sumi shares almost like 34% profit. So the thing is like once you know once you know the nuances, you can rock it anywhere else. That's it from my side. I hope you like this video. So stay tuned to Sunday Page, and this is my YouTube channel. I posted this video, even though if you haven't seen this video, just see this video again. I'll post around 12 o'clock, 12:45 somewhere else. Yeah, and after that these targets got it. After these targets got it in the Nifty and as well as Nifty and Bank Nifty side. So definitely the technical analysis plays a vital role. Definitely you must learn, you should learn. So in the future, for swing trading or for the option trading or whatever it is, that's very important. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you enjoyed the budget and from ma'am, and as well as the budget was too good. So thanks a lot, and it was given a lot of profits for me. Thanks a lot. Bye bye, take care.